Hello, students and teachers. This is Diego Martinez, and guess what? We're in the weeks of ending school year for 2019-2020. I hope you guys had a good school week, and I know that today has been some issues, but we will get them fixed next year. Make sure to complete the survey of the FWISD, which I will leave in the link this in the description box below. So make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. So in this video, I'm going to explain more about circumference, diameter, and the radius. Last video, I just explained a little bit of the circumference, but now we're gonna start focusing on circumference, the diameter, and radius. So to find the circumference, to find the diameter, and to find the radius, or all three. Okay? So let's get started. Your objective, I'm gonna call it my job. This is your job, your objective is I will learn more about how to find circumference, diameter, and radius. So make sure you have this written down in your journal. I'll give you 1 minute. So pause the video and that will be 1 minute. So as you might remember, pi is equal to 3.14 or 22/7. You guys get to choose which other process you like, either 3.14 or 22/7. My recommendation is to use 3.14 because it's gonna be more easier, and that way you won't get a little bit stuck. But for the ones who are pro with dividing, that's okay. Now, let's start. We are going to use a circle, since that's always what we use. I'll put my circle here, not that big. Here. And then we're going to make a line. We are first going to start with, let me change color. I hope you can see a diameter and circumference. So, let's say I have the diameter 18 inches. And make sure you have your formula, or pi equals 3.14. So to find the circumference here, you will have to multiply 3.14 times 18, which that shouldn't be that hard. So 3.14 times 18. 18 goes into 4, 32, 8, 11, 24, 25, 0 on the bottom, 4, 1, 3. So now we will add 25, 12 plus 31, 40. So 2, 5, 6, by. And make sure you move your decimal 2 times. So your answer is going to be equal 56.52. So basically, to find the circumference of the whole circle, whole or outside, you multiply the diameter and circumference, or pi is equal to 3.14. Make sure it is never on a different number. Pi is always equal to 3.14. So now, let me show you another example of how to find radius. So here I am going to show you two processes on how to find the diameter and how to find the circumference. Because there you're going to basically learn that 2 in 1. So let's get started. Let's say our radius is 27. No, a little bit low. That will be the diameter. Let's say your radius is 7. That's a good number. And make sure you always have your formula. Pi is equal to 3.14. Now, in your journal, I want you to write, I'm going to put it in writing mode so that way I won't get that stuck. And let me get huge. There we go. In bold. And in color green. To find the radius, I'll put it to the side. I'll change the color to purple. No, sorry. I need a bright. There we go. To find the radius, you multiply by 2. I mean, when you to find the radius, you divide by 2. Sorry. To find the diameter, you multiply by 2. Sorry, got a little confused here. But here is your rules. To find the radius, you divide by 2. And to find the diameter, you multiply by 2. So, we're going to multiply basically 7 times 2, which will give us a radius 14 inches. I forgot to put inches. So now you have your diameter, which is 14 inches. Radius, diameter. So now, you are going to find now the circumference. So, as we basically saw in the last slide, you're going to multiply 3.14 times 14. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 12, 0, 4, 1, 3. And now we add, which is going to give us a total of 6, 9, 3, 4, and make sure you move your decimal. So your circumference is going to be 43.96. So basically finding the circumference isn't that hard, basically. You will sometimes struggle at the beginning, but you will make your way up to your goal. And we will, and on school in sixth grade is the most. You're gonna have these problems that you're gonna have to solve two multi-step problems, like finding the finding the diameter, and then finding out the circumference and all of that. So if you have any questions, please ask your teacher. As we now, I am moving from the lesson almost. This has been a simple one, and I'm gonna check out what else do circumference features we have to know so I can teach it to you all guys. And remember, we have a few weeks, well, a few days of school basically. And since I'm gonna take you to the page where you have to take the survey. So the page is going to be at fwisd.org. It's at their homepage. And then once it opens up, let it upload. Once it opens up, you should have a screen that says www.org. Sorry. Rehab www.org slash reshapping survey. So I'm gonna give you the link in the description box so you can make sure all teachers, students, parents, or administrators take this survey so we can know, so the district can know what calendar are you gonna follow, and the calendar they follow is the calendar they're gonna do. And remember, the district's #1 priority is our safety as students. So thank you very much, and I hope I can do another video soon before our school year ends. And when summer, I'll try to upload some videos of what I'm doing, or some ideas, motivated ideas you can do. So thank you and have a good day. Make sure to subscribe and turn on my notifications. Remember, the link is in the description box. Bye bye.